There are for sure challenges. I think the barrier to entry is coming down, but that's down to multiple factors: improvement in hardware, some of the work you guys are doing, people becoming a bit more au fait with the technology. But big challenges are still, I think, things like interoperability. Ensuring that AR solutions work across a range of devices and sometimes operating systems. Security, data privacy is a massive issue. It's something that we like to get on the table very early on in a conversation with anybody we're working with, because it's it, it, it's mission critical for most of our customers. It's something we take very seriously, but it can slow down the adoption of the technology, which to some degree is plug and play. But you've got to have that security piece answered to everyone's satisfaction, and that can sometimes take months and months. See, we've got certification, ISO 27001, to sort of help with that, but sometimes you just got to go the hard yards. And I think depending on who you're talking to in a new company, they may be more focused just on the outcome, and you need to sort of wind them back and say, yeah, you'll need to get your infosec people involved early. User adoption as well. It's new technology still, it's highly innovative, but it takes time to train users, and look at that sort of change management piece within an organization. Quite often you can have a product evangelist who's an expert at the software and the hardware, but they've got to find a way to scale that out efficiently within their organization. Integrating with existing systems can be a challenge. Even mobile device management is a little bit more complex than we'd like it to be. And I suppose the last thing is, generally speaking, what we're trying to do is visualize our customers' CAD in a highly efficient manner on a headset, and the complexity of engineering data sets is such that there are just challenges in displaying the amount of data that large engineering firms need to do. Sometimes that requires really sitting down and working out efficient pipelines.